Okay, I start with creating customized tours. There is mainly two options. That means one is creating customized tours that for tourists, and other one is viewing that created customized tours that happen from guide side, and after view, guide can add their margin if they approve, if they comfortable with that tour, they can add their margin to that tour. First, I saw how customized tour implementation happen. This is the class custom tour service implementation, and create tour custom tour. Is get a DTO custom tour DTO. Let's see what's it that it is. What's that? It's containing all the data that fill in by customer. Not customer, tourist. Then first we check whether that customer exists or not. DTO.get tourist ID. Tourist ID. I think tourist ID not in the DTO. That's the issue, right? Because I need to address that one. Let's see. Let's move forward. Yes, I think from the front end, tourist ID should came, but I'm not trying to. I think it's there, but I cannot find it. Yes, it's there. It's in here. So it containing data. So far there's no issue. It's fine, but I find by ID. We pass DTO.get tourist ID. Then if application is tourist exists, then that data pass to that data save in tourist, and otherwise throw runtime exception tourist not found. And after that we create a data format. I think it's from the front end, it's coming with date, and other than time we only in here we only consider date, so we have to read the time part. So that's why this format is there. And after that tourist is there, then we convert tourist DTO into entity. I think that's the happening in here. Custom tour, yeah, custom tour, I think it's the entity. Yes, it's in a entity. It's in the entity package, transferring all data into that entity. Then we call repository.save. Then all data will be saved in custom tour table. That's it's happened. I will show in from front end. It's in it's a multi-part. That means in here step by step all the data filling by user. So it's that why it's a multi-part, multi-step. First step title, description, vice versa. Second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. And when on change happen, handle change call, and when we click next step, I think this next step is common for all, so we move that to multi-step form. And when press next step, there are few functions will be executed, and there's two different input are there. That means one is just a text field, and other one is there's two handle other one is checkbox, handle change and handle check. There's so when a value is different, this checkbox will be, this function will be executed. Yeah, these are data, and I think there are no, at first form is empty one. We're not going to add any attribute to that form. Step by step form getting grow. That means in here first data added, then if you saw handle change and handle format checked, this means get the existing object and add that to this attribute and value. In here it's another, that means adding attribute and also with the value. So form getting grow. So we no need to define form in first place. And yeah, we use this to avoid any errors if we data is empty or something happen. After submit, handle submit, it will be moved to customized tour. That means it's in a customized control. It's a tourist controller. Custom, this one. It's same as this. In here, form as an object, we send that form as object, and we add that we add tourist ID into that object. So all object is this one. How we grab tourist ID, that's another thing. In here, I think default as a session, there is a session cookie already saved in our browser, tourist ID. So we can grab that, or we can that's happening here, cookie.getID. I thought it's first place I thought it came from parameters, use param, but it's not happening there. It's a cookie tourist ID save as a cookie in our browser, so we have to grab that and send that to backend. That's how customized tour happen. I think it's one feature. We end video from here. Let's move to another video to see how view customized tours from each guide.